In this part, we are going to render the favorite page, and as the favorite page actually is very similar to the index page, so we are going to duplicate the index page, and then we put it inside the pages, and then we delete the favorite page at here, and also we name it as favorite. And we go to the favorite and also change this to favorite. So when we click on the favorite, it will also load this data, but the title is favorite. As you can see, this content is not a favorite content, but also displayed here. So we have to make some changes at the db.js, and we are going to check whether this page is favorite page or index page. And we are going to check if window.location.pathname is equal to slash, or the window.location pathname is equal to index.html. Then we will render the context. And then if the path name is equal to pages and then favorite, and we will just render if the data favorite is true. So we use data favorite. If this is true, we will render the content, otherwise we will not render the content. So we unregister the service worker and also clear the cache, and then we refresh the index page. Now we go to the favorite. You can see there's no contact here. However, if we back to the contact page and then we click favorite, this will show the favorite contact here. We can also add some new contact to demonstrate that only those favorites is added in the favorite page. So again, we type some random number. Now we go to the favorite page. You can see it just shows Samuel here. And if we click more favorite, for example, we click Amy, and now we go to the favorite page. You can see Amy is also shown here, but Alan will not be displayed here.